I am going to show the process of automating um, certificate lifecycle on a Ubuntu Apache server that I set up. So the first thing I'll show you is I have already come in here and completed my organization validation ahead of requesting my certificate. Because this is an OV certificate, it includes organization information as well as the domain information. And the entire process is just going to go so much more smoothly if I have that organization validation done up front. So I've worked with our validation team to get that completed. Now I'm ready to move on to setting up my client, requesting my certificate, and getting it installed. So giving you some background just on the server that I set up. This is a Ubuntu 24.04 server that I set up just in Microsoft Azure. And all I've done here is enabled mod SSL, made sure that my ports are there. And then I went ahead and enrolled in a 7-day certificate and I installed it just the normal way, the old boring manual way that we used to have to do this. So I did OpenSSL, created my CSR, uploaded my CSR, got my certs back, edited my Apache configuration file, moved all of my certificates to the appropriate locations, and restarted Apache. So, very manual process. And as certificate validities shrink, that's just going to become more and more impossible to do to keep up, the number of servers you're managing and the number of renewals you'll have to handle in a year. So I'll come down here, I'll go to request certificate, and it's going to ask me, do I want to automate now? I can also just skip straight to the end if I'm a genius and I already know how to use my own Acme client and I just want to skip straight to generating the Acme credentials. I can do that. I can also skip automation if I'm still, running things the old way and I want to upload a CSR and get a cert. But I'm showing you today what happens when you click Automate Now. So the first thing I'll do is I'll put in the website name that I'm trying to secure. I have my pre-validated organization, and then I'm going to give it the maximum certificate validity, which today is now just shy of 200 days. So it's already been decreased from the old 397 to 199 days. And we'll continue to see industry mandated changes take effect that shorten those life cycles of certificates or those lifetimes. Going to next, it's going to show me the option to use DigiCert's official agent, or we also support through this console CertBot, or you can use any Acme agent that is modern and current and supports Acme v2. Last time I demonstrated Windows IIS, this time I'm on Linux, Apache. I want it to do automated validation. This is a public-facing website, so it's going to be able to do an on-the-fly validation using the HTTP method that is completely automated by this agent. So you see here, it gave me a command. It runs a curl command to download a script and then passes into that the request to enroll, gives it my directory URL, gives it my secret key. Don't worry, I'll revoke this right after the meeting so you can't go steal my certificates. I've passed in the name that I want to secure. And then I have the option of saying which challenge type I want to do. We support both HTTP method as well as DNS. So if you have a DNS provider you want to do an integration with, pass in DNS and your DNS credentials, then it can also automate your validation that way. And then I can choose, what handler I want to use, whether I want it to use the Apache server to try to serve my HTTP validation, or I could change this to standalone and it would run its own uh, uh, service to complete that validation. And then I tell it I want it to install into Apache, and I want it to install in Apache onto my site that is named this. So I download the command and go back to my dashboard. Now it says, okay, you previously created a command. Now you're ready to go run it. So I'm going to go to my server, grab the command, and I am using the standalone um, version of the challenge handler today. Go ahead and run that command, and off it goes. And there it went. So it installed the ACME, the DigiCert ACME agent. It executed the command, detected my existing website, and installed the new certificates. And I would be able to see those. I can go into my configuration file and see that it has now updated those certificate locations to ones that are managed by the DigiCert agent. So I didn't have to do any manual configuration there at all. It handles this, and then it handles all subsequent renewals. So the default renewal window is 30 days, but I can configure that in a configuration file on the server to be 14 days or 7 days, or however frequently I want it to renew. That is configurable with the DigiCert ACME agent. I can come out here to my website, refresh it, and notice that now I'm getting a certificate that, rather than expiring in a few days, like the temp one I put on there, this one expires in just shy of 200 days.